Back again to my channel, Ruang Tabroni channel. Here, we will draw animals that live on land. Namely, pigs. This is an example of a pig that we want to draw. Okay, just draw directly from the side of the head. Towards his feet and then his body until it was all over. If it's too fast, friends, you can stop this video for a moment, then continue. Lastly, please give color to the animal to make it look more alive. Okay, let's try drawing again with the faster version. The manufacturing process is complete and friends can try it. Thank you. Nice to meet again.